Show your Android screen on iPhone through Google Meet. First, open the Google Meet app on your Android device. Join an existing meeting or start a new one. Once the other person accepts the call, then tap on the 3 vertical dots. A few options will appear. Now, look for the screen share icon and click on it. A pop-up will appear. Select the checkbox, and then tap on Continue. Again, a pop-up will appear to cast your screen. Here, you can change the option to share a single app or entire screen. Let's go with entire screen, and then click Continue. Some privacy protection options will pop up. Choose the necessary ones and then tap Start Now. Your Android screen is now visible to others in the Google Meet call. You can navigate to different apps or content on your device to show them. To stop screen sharing, return to the Google Meet app on your Android device. Select the active call. Then, tap the Stop Sharing button, and it will stop sharing the screen. And that's it. Follow and subscribe for more tech tips.